folks, this is America from America's Abstracts. I'm actually going to bring you a fresh new video, not painting today, but a little scientific experiment for science of the heat resistance of KS stone resin. So, you might have already seen my previous video of me top coating with KS stone resin. It has a 15-minute work time, and they say that it is heat resistant up to 475. Now, I have gotten asked if I have actually tested it, and since I haven't, I also looked around to see if anybody else has, and there are no videos, so might as well for science test. I actually went to Target and I went and got this Remington flat iron. It is high heat up to 455 degrees Fahrenheit. So, without further ado, let's get to opening this guy up. Alright folks, we are going to test on this lovely coaster. KS stone resin. It's a 15-minute work time, and it says that it is heat resistant up to 475. But let's just test that. I'm going to turn this guy on, and I'm just going to be kind of like that. And we're just going to heat it up, and we're going to see what happens. I'm just going to let it stay on me. Alright, the inside. I might do this sort of thing. Alright, so I have silicone on this other side to catch in case if it's too fucking hot. So, this is now heated up to 455. It is the max setting 30. Just gonna hold it here for like 5 seconds at least. Let's go. 30 seconds. All right. So, wow. It cooled down really quick. It's still a little warm right here, but my silicone for the back actually is a lot hotter than the front that I used. So let's try that again, shall we? One, two. I'm just holding that because that should be. It's warm, but there's no yellow. There's nothing actually distinguishing it that it even got hot. No impressions, surprisingly, from when I used the flat iron. Okay, folks, I gotta say, after clamping this flat iron down with this silicone on the other side, the silicone stayed hotter for longer than my flat iron did. And not only that, but the resin side had no discoloration, no indentation, and like I said, cooled down quicker than the silicone backing side that I used to protect my cork that was on the back, because I already did that for some reason. Why? I don't know. But at least I can say I have scientifically experimented and did a couple different runs, and KS stone resin with its 15-minute working time, once fully cured for KS stone resin, it is 3 full days, no sooner that it is fully cured after you top coat it that it is heat resistant up to at least 455 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a good thing to know because its max supposedly is 450. Its max is supposedly 475. So now I have done the experiment, and I will let you guys use that in as a way to kind of determine if KS resin is good for you. If you do a lot of projects that need to be heat resistant for like styling tools or taking food out of the oven and then setting it on there like a trivet, I would say KS Stone Resin is the resin for you. Shortest working time, yes, but you can always make smaller batches and just do things more individually. But yeah, that's actually all I had for you folks tonight. I hope you have a good evening. Thanks. Bye.